Unfortunately, my Polaris ATV pool cleaner is discontinued and it isn't worth finding parts for, so I'm going to upgrade to the Poolvergnuegen the Pool Cleaner by Hayward. The pool cleaner's features appear to be similar. The wheel design works better for me than the Creepy Crawly brand's diaphragm design. I found those tend to get stuck or wear out too often. This is the two-wheel drive suction cleaner model of the Poolvergnuegen. The pool cleaner is rated for average size pools, which Hayward considers 16 by 32 feet and under. 33 feet of hose is included in this 2X model of the pool cleaner. The pool cleaner's tire design should not get stuck on main drains and should have some wall climbing ability. My pool uses a 1 horsepower Pentair Whisper Flow pool pump, but Hayward claims this is a good choice for variable speed pumps as well. Alright, let's get started by opening up the box. So look inside, we have our manual. A supply of hoses and the main unit. And there is our Hayward pool cleaner. And then inside this bag we have our various fittings and throat sizes. This probably sits inside my pool skimmer basket, and this I imagine goes inside like so. And here's our flow adjustment ring. Okay, so for the first part of the assembly you need to find the leader hose, and that's the one with the gray end on it here. And the instructions recommend that you attach these snap-on weights about 25 to 26 inches away from the gray tip here. Out of the box it comes like that. Now once you've sorted your leader hose, you're going to take the rest of the hoses and connect them end to end, male to female. The instructions say that you can wet the ends if that's easier. You should feel a bit of a snap when you get it in there just right. You'll want to connect enough of your pool tubing so that it can reach from your skimmer basket all the way to the other end of the diagonal of your pool with a little bit left over hanging outside. You'll take your pool cleaner and attach the gray leader hose end to that for a nice snug connection. And then once that's securely attached, we'll go to the other end. Down by the skimmer basket, we're going to take the hose cone and the adjustable regulator valve and join those together. And then we'll join the other end of the pool hose to the adjustable regulator valve. Okay, so now we need to clear the air out of the pool line. So the first step is to take the pool cleaner and put them in the water. Now that the air's been purged from the hoses, we can connect our hose cone to the skimmer assembly. Just make sure your pool pump is off before you do this. Now that everything is connected and the pump is running, you can go time the revolutions per minute on the pool cleaner to make sure it's within the optimal range. Hayward or Poolvergnuegen advises that you have an optimal range between 11 and 14 revolutions per minute. To adjust that, you can turn the blue dial on this adjustment knob to the right or clockwise to increase suction, which will increase the revolutions per minute, or turn to the left or counterclockwise to decrease the suction and slow it down. If your pool cleaner is not cleaning the walls or jumping out of your pool, you might need to adjust the flow accordingly. To check the RPM of the pool cleaner, you'll just go ahead and grab it just below the surface of the water here and look at the right front wheel and look for this notch spinning around. And over the course of a minute, make sure that it turns about 11 to 14 times. More than 14 and it might start climbing out of your pool. Less than 11, it's not going to climb the walls. So you can use that adjustment valve at the skimmer to increase or decrease your flow accordingly. But then in pools like mine, once I screwed it all the way down, I still wasn't getting enough flow because I have a 3-way valve. So let's go ahead and take a walk over there and see what I had to do. In my case, I have suction coming from the main drain and the skimmer basket, and this ball valve here will control the distribution between the two. I had to reposition my ball valve here to go ahead and change the distribution of flow between the skimmer and the main drain so that I could get to about 13 RPM. So I hope you found this video on the Hayward Poolvergnuegen pool cleaner useful. And if you did, please click the like button below or leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.